Yes guys, James Father, welcome back to Match Vlog. Today's Chelsea versus Wolves at home in the league. I'm not confident. I'm not often confident. I'm going 3-1 Wolves. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Up the Chelsea, let's go. Sit down! He's in my FPL team as well, even better. So I say I made a mistake. I said I made a mistake. Come on! Silly mistake to make. Was a lucky goal, but even still. Poor from Saicedo. I say we'd been alright, apart from the conceding, but come on, we're better than this. Up the Chelsea, let's try and make this go 2-1. Gusto made a mistake, please run back. To Wolves, this is shocking! Come on!
Worried. Failure.
Terrible.
Painful. Troublesome, but we can do it.
Oh, you Taylor in disguise. They've just been given a penalty. Looking at bringing Badiashile and Gilchrist. No, bad this manager is. Putting him put Badiashile up front. Terrible. Gave penalty. We're handling it.
You're getting sacked in the morning!
In for the Chelsea, on to victory,
all together now!
2 minutes to get a goal, mate. Take your time. What are you doing? I'll take it. Well, now it's been game in there, fella. Even better. This ref is shocking. Look, we're making tries doing something. Ref!
Why is the centre back trying to...
Why is he there? One, he's offside. Two, he should be
Yeah, get back on side,
Get
bruv.
back! So annoying. Hurry up! Go, Alfie.
Fouling him. Alfie, come on, mate. You're fouling him, mate. Right?
Get on with it! Gallagher, if you care about the club, please go. He's no good. Just missed, took a shot from a stupid angle. Just play onto Palmer, honestly. No, this is so wrong.
Nice to see you, Trev. Nice to see you, mate.